guys, I'm Shivani Kapoor and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another YouTube video for you guys. As I mentioned in my last video that I will be posting a video very soon that talks about all my wedding outfits. So here I am with this video. इसीलिए आज मैंने सूट पहना है, आज मैंने इंडियन पहना हुआ है. So in this video I will be talking about everything like how I selected my wedding outfit and मैंने बाकी के functions के लिए like कौन से outfit कहाँ से purchase करे and how I selected the theme of the outfit like पूरे decor के साथ how I matched my outfits and also मुझे अपने partner के साथ भी color coordinate करना था. So how I did all of that. So I will be sharing everything my experience in this video. Also I'll be posting a lot of pictures of my wedding functions in case you want to have a reference. I loved all the outfits and I also will tell you like what kind of makeup and hair I went with. And लोगों ने मुझे बहुत compliment करा. Literally people were asking me like we loved your लहंगा कहाँ से लिया कहाँ से customize कराया. So I got a lot of compliments. So I think I made the right choices and I think this video is gonna help a lot of people जो अभी wedding के लिए outfits ढूंढ रहे हैं या फिर बाकी functions के लिए outfits select कर रहे हैं. तो ये वाली video काफ़ी helpful रहने वाली है because you will get a lot of different ideas from this video. So stay tuned and keep watching till the end, guys. Also, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I can see a lot of people are watching my videos but not subscribing. So go ahead, guys. Please show some love. I'll be really happy for it. सबसे पहले मैं मेहंदी से स्टार्ट करूंगी बिकॉज मेहंदी वॉज आवर फर्स्ट फंक्शन. सो मुझे मेहंदी के लिए आई वॉज वेरी क्लियर इन माई हेड दैट मुझे ओपन वाइब चाहिए एंड मुझे कलरफुल वाइब चाहिए. जितने भी फंक्शंस के लिए जो अपनी प्रिपरेशंस करनी थी इन टर्म्स ऑफ आउटफिट्स मैंने पहले ही कर ली थी लाइक 2 months पहले आई वाज लाइक रेडी विद ऑल माय आउटफिट्स. सो आई हैड लाइक प्लान्स एंड मेरे को जो जो एग्जीक्यूट जैसे करना था आई हैव डन ऑल ऑफ दैट. आई विल बी पोस्टिंग अ लॉट ऑफ पिक्चर्स ऑफ माय मेहंदी आउटफिट राइट ऑन द स्क्रीन सो यू कैन कॉन्टिन्यूसली लाइक सी. सो मेहंदी के लिए आई जस्ट वांटेड टू कीप वेरी सिंपल बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली डे लाइट है. सो डे लाइट में एनी वे पिक्चर्स बहुत ही प्रिटी आती हैं. सो मुझे कुछ ओवर नहीं करना था. आई इनिशियली एक्सप्लोर्ड लाइक द शाहपुरा मार्केट एंड रजौरी मार्केट. सो मैंने काफ़ी सारे मार्केट्स एक्सप्लोर करे and then finally I came across this lehenga which was very colorful and I had like lot of different colors. Like yellow was the main color in it. Base color was yellow but apart from that there were lot of like different colors like pink tha usme, green tha. The moment I saw that lehenga I was like this is the one and I couldn't get my eyes from it away and immediately this thing came into my mind that इसमें इतने सारे colors हैं. So in fact अगर मेरे partner को भी कुछ pair up करना है so he would have lot of different options like he could pair it up with yellow, green. I made a choice and I went ahead with that lehenga and I was pretty satisfied with it, guys. Everything about that lehenga was perfect. So मुझे उसमें कुछ changes नहीं कराने पड़े. But the only change that I went with was मैंने उसमें थोड़ा सा blouse customize कराया था. Like उसका blouse जो था वो बहुत ही simple neckline थी and from the bottom also I went with this kind of cut. So it looked very beautiful and वो body को एक बहुत ही like एक elegant shape दे रहा था. And jewelry के लिए I also wanted some big jewelry on my neck. So मुझे उसके लिए भी एक बहुत ही एक अच्छा piece मिल गया which I found in Rajouri market and वो भी बहुत ही colorful था, बहुत ही subtle था. So that's how I selected my outfit. And guys makeup के लिए again I kept very simple and I did my makeup by myself. मैंने किसी से ज़्यादा help नहीं ली थी and मुझे अपने makeup पे काफ़ी confidence है guys. I trust my makeup. Like I know my skin type and I know like sunlight में कैसा होगा. So केकी ना लगे इसलिए I wanted to keep base very neutral and I went with some basic colors. So it just looked very beautiful overall. For hair I did some loose curls. So वो काफ़ी like अच्छा लग रहा था and obviously daylight था so we wore our shades and everyone clicked a lot of pictures. So वो pictures I'm sure आपको बहुत अच्छी लगेंगी guys क्योंकि वो daylight pictures एक अलग vibe देती हैं and also the colorful theme and इतने सारे props होते हैं मेहंदी के लिए. So I think the overall vibe and the overall theme of the place looked very pretty and I loved it. Like people around me loved it. जितने भी मेरे friends and जितने भी मेरे partner के friends थे all after the wedding said that your wedding was like a trip for us because they had so much fun because we did all our functions at one place like mehendi hua and then the same day we had like engagement in the night and then we had like haldi in the morning. So everything happened at the same location. We danced, we had fun. So wedding ka venue was different which was like in Delhi. Rest of the things happened in Gurgaon. So that's all about my mehendi outfit. So next is the engagement because the second function was engagement and that was at the same venue but it was like poolside venue. So I just wanted that kind of like dreamy and very lights and all of that, thoda sa dark vibe. एंड मुझे बहुत लाइक क्लियर था इन माई माइंड दैट आई वॉन्टेड टू गो विद सम डार्क कलर्स बिकॉज एंगेजमेंट है एंड ऑब्वियसली नाइट में होगा. सो आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड अ लॉट ऑफ लाइक फेरी लाइट्स, बबल लाइट्स, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें मैंने प्लान करी थी. एंड द डेकोर दैट आई वेंट विद वाज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल गाइज, एंड द डेकोरेटर वाज सो काइंड, लाइक ही लिसन्ड टू ऑल माई आइडियाज एंड देन ही वेंट विद द the all of the things that I told him. And for the lehenga, like मैंने बहुत starting से ही decide कर लिया था that if we'll go with dark then I'm definitely gonna wear something in blue, and अपने partner को भी मुझे blue ही पहनाना था. Guys, you know what, लड़कों को ज़्यादा knowledge नहीं होती है. I think I was the only one who like planned almost everything, like for him, for his outfits as well as for my outfits. So it was like, okay, whatever you decide, I'll wear that. I planned like हम दोनों blue outfits पहनेंगे. So I explored some markets, like मैंने काफ़ी जगह explore करा, but I couldn't find that like one right blue lehenga for myself. So finally what I did was I got it stitched, like I customized it. Like I purchased the fabric from Rajouri market and I got that fabric. That was like a net fabric in blue and that was very beautiful guys. And उसके बाद मैंने उसको पूरा customize कराया. I just wanted a deep V neck and a short blouse, and उसके साथ मुझे high waisted लहंगा चाहिए था. And for the दुपट्टा I went very light दुपट्टा so that it's easy to carry, so that जो एक लहंगे का vibe है, जो लहंगे की grace है वो अलग से दिखे. And I think it turned out really the way I wanted. So actually guys, पता है क्या होता है, whenever it's a night function and अगर वो open में है तो anyway the photographer will have a lot of like ring lights and all of that yellow lights in front of you. So वो already इतना ज़्यादा like effect देते हैं face पे, तो अगर आपका makeup और loud होगा ना तो वो कैमरे में अच्छा शो नहीं होगा. But you don't want to do that mistake. So इसीलिए अपना makeup थोड़ा light रखना, and उसके साथ जब कैमरा लाइट्स जो face पर आएंगी तो वो बहुत like pretty लगता है. In fact when I was done with my makeup in my room, so my cousin said that maybe थोड़ा सा light लग रहा है. But the moment I went out, that time she mentioned that your makeup is looking on point, so वो perfect जा रहा था. And for the hair again I kept it open and मैंने बहुत ही subtle beach and जो loose waves होते हैं I went with that because they looked so good on me. Actually guys तुम्हें पता होता है ना like कौन सा hair style तुम्हारे ऊपर सूट करेगा as per your like face cut, because I have a round face cut and मेरे ऊपर bun and tie up बाल ज़्यादा अच्छे नहीं लगते हैं because I think in that my face looks bigger. So इसीलिए मुझे वो avoid करना था and that's why I went with like open hair, face थोड़ा sharp लगे. And the hairstylist that I went with was great because उन्होंने मेरे बाल exactly वैसे करे जैसे मुझे चाहिए थे. I showed him like couple of pictures from Instagram that I want like this. मुझे ज़्यादा curls नहीं चाहिए, like मुझे heavy curls नहीं चाहिए, but I wanted to like have some like classic waves. So in terms of makeup, lehenga, hair, everything was on point and I was very happy with my engagement look as well because जैसा मैंने plan करा था it happened that way, so I was really happy with that. Okay, so the second last function was haldi and again वो भी open में थी. And this was again very colorful. But haldi के साथ क्या होता है, when you think about haldi, the first thing that comes to your mind is yellow. So usually सारे haldi के लिए like yellow outfits ही plan करते हैं, but I went with something different. In my mind it was like जो भी guest आएंगे they all will wear yellow, so you will not look different, like उसमें कुछ फर्क नहीं लगेगा. You will also like end up syncing with the yellow colors. So it was like me and my partner went with like pink color, which is like very beautiful, very peachy pinkish nude. वो बहुत ही pretty लगता है पहना हुआ, and daylight में anyway yellow and pink goes so well together, and with that you have like that flower jewelry, so वो बहुत ही compliment करता है एक दूसरे को. तो मेरा outfit overall बहुत ही simple था, इसलिए मुझे blouse के साथ थोड़ा play around करना था. So the blouse that I went with was this, like मेरे पास ये अभी पड़ा हुआ था guys, so I thought of showing you here. It is also a hot pink color, so it's like a crop top only, like I got it stitched, and इसके पीछे बहुत ही cute knot थी, which is like a long knot which is going all like this, and इसकी back बहुत ही sexy लग रही थी. So I think the best part about this is that I can reuse it with some other outfits as well. So ये काफ़ी अच्छा यूज़ होने वाला है, इसलिए मैंने अभी इसको बाहर ही रखा हुआ है गाइस. ये मैं कहीं यूज़ करने वाली हूँ. मेकअप के लिए आप कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं भी करोगे तो भी चलेगा because eventually it's like all gonna go away. So overall ये outfit बहुत ही अच्छा turn out हुआ and the pictures were so beautiful. Like वो इतनी proper हल्दी vibe create कर रहा था that in the pictures when I saw I was like wow, this is what I needed. मेरे brothers ने इतना ज़्यादा हल्दी लगाई थी हम सबको. Like me and my husband were like shit, I can't even like see people because it was so like there were lumps on my face of haldi. I can't like I was getting so irritated by that time because yeah isko hatao fatafat. But it was fun overall, so we had a lot of fun while we celebrated our haldi ceremony. Finally my last function, that was the wedding function. Wedding outfit के लिए मुझे बहुत efforts लगे थे guys because I have like literally searched a lot. clear in my hair said that I don't want to go with like any kind of like beige color लहंगा, क्योंकि beige color outfit मैंने अपने brother के marriage पे already पहना था and that happened like last year, so अभी recently ही पहना था, so I was very clear like मुझे beige color लहंगा के साथ नहीं जाना, and red के लिए भी I was a little skeptical but I wanted to try, like मुझे सब कुछ try करना था, so I went to this place Chandni Chowk and I think सब जाते हैं वहाँ पर. I think it's like a main hub for like wedding लहंगाs and I think everyone goes there at least once for their wedding shopping. So मैं वहाँ पे गई थी अपनी भाभी और अपने मम्मा के साथ, so I went there and मैंने red color लहंगा try करा. That time rust color लहंगा भी बहुत in था, so I tried that as well. But overall the feedback that I received was that I was looking bit mature and pink color anyway मेरे skin tone पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And then I started to looking for like pink wedding लहंगास. So मैंने pink में भी काफी options explore करे guys. Like I was not satisfied. There were times when I was so disappointed and then I was like, you know, कब finalize होगा, and I was so stressed at that time. Like उस time भी I had like पूरा 3 months and मैंने 3 months पहले ही like देखना start कर दिया था. In terms of time I didn't have any issue, like मेरे पास time नहीं and all, but I was like, you know, why I'm not able to find my right outfit. And at that time I remember like Katrina Kaif की भी wedding थी. I think some pictures came out where she was wearing this beautiful sari. In fact at that time my husband also told me that go with something that's very beautiful and very subtle, something, you know, similar to what Katrina Kaif is wearing, you know, the sari and all. So I had this thing in my mind that I want to have something similar to that. I was looking out for that continuously, like I was going every single day to the market and exploring. So मैंने चांदनी चौक में ही explore करा था guys, and finally I came across this shop, so जहाँ पे मैंने 2 लहंगे shortlist करे थे and one out of it was this which I finally purchased and the other one was also very beautiful but वो थोड़ा सा peachy tone में था and ये वाला थोड़ा pink tone में था, and finally like it happened, went with that one, the pink one that I finally wore. So here is the picture guys. I just loved this लहंगा. जो लहंगा था उसमें flowers ऐसे बने हुए थे and उस flowers के अंदर भी there were different colors. So there was green, there was blue, there was peach, there was dark pink, so काफी सारे colors थे. Again I had a lot of options to pair my jewelry with, so I went with this and it was like very pearly, very blue kind of pastel blue color, so वो perfectly match हुआ and I loved all the pictures and the wedding vibe and the wedding outfits. This is one of the most beautiful lehengas that I found it available in the market. I was really happy with that guys. I don't know how to like say it, how to express it, but I was very happy with the outfit. My husband was like, this is exactly the same, how did you manage to get that? I was like, my struggle, you know. And the best part was that, you know, the things that I planned, it happened the way I wanted, so I was really happy with that first of all. So this was it about my wedding outfits guys. I am so happy to share my story with you all. In case you want any help in any kind of thing, so you can just reach me out. I will be happy to assist you because I really understand the pain and the struggle that you are facing when you are looking for your wedding and the rest of the outfit. So I think it's a hassle guys. So this was it about today's video guys. I hope you find this video interesting and I hope आपको कुछ इससे ideas मिले हो in case you are getting married or in case you are searching for some kind of specific outfits. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.